There's a mitzvah called Arei Miklat, the cities of refuge. When one Jew, God forbid, kills another Jew accidentally or even intentionally, they must run away, leave their home, and go to one of the cities of refuge. There was a total of 6 cities in the land of Israel, and these roads had to be clear, the roads leading to any of the cities of refuge. Now the Torah tells us when Mashiach comes, and at that point the land of Israel will be expanded, the boundaries of the land of Israel will be expanded, and we will have additional 3 cities in the land of Israel. We will have an additional 3 cities of refuge. So there will be a total of 9 cities of refuge. So the question here is, we all know that the times of Mashiach will be times of peace. It will be an era of total peace. No war, no famine, no death. None of that stuff. It's going to be complete serene and peace in the entire world. And the entire world will be filled with the knowledge of Hashem. And this is all from the Rambam. So the question is, why would we need 3 additional cities of refuge? And why would we need cities of refugees in the first place if no one is going to kill anyone, not intentionally and not even intentionally? So let us explore first what is the whole concept of cities of refuge in a spiritual sense. When a Jew, God forbid, sins, what happens is he's taking the life force and because when a person does an action, he's using his energy. So you're taking energy, which essentially is a person's blood. That's how we know, unfortunately, a person dies and passes away when there's a lack of blood, or when the blood, God forbid, is infected. So blood is life, and when you use your energy to do anything, you're using blood. So when a person sins, what you're doing is you're taking the energy, instead of it being used for holiness, it's being used for something that's unholy, which is a sin. So what is the remedy of sin? Or actually not so much of a remedy, it's what prevents someone from a sin. That is the study of Torah. As it says in the Talmud, Divri Torah Koltin. The words of Torah protect. So just like in a physical sense, the cities of refuge would protect the killer from the relatives and the family members of the person that he killed, to prevent them from coming and taking revenge. So too in a spiritual sense, when a person sins, what he should do is to study Torah, because the Torah will protect him from the Yetzer Hara. As it says in another place in the Talmud, if you feel that your evil inclination is trying to get you to do a sin, it says, you should drag the Yetzer Hara, so to speak, into the house of study, because when you study Torah, not only does it protect you from the Yetzer Hara, but it puts the life force back into shape. Instead of the life force going into doing something negative, it's now going to channel that energy and that blood to go in the right place. So now we can understand what it says when Mashiach comes. We will have not only 6 cities of refuge, but 9 cities total, with additional 3 cities of refuge. And that is because when Mashiach comes, there's not going to be any more evil in the world. The whole world will be busy gaining knowledge of Hashem. So we will have additional 3 cities, which means that we're going to be studying even more Torah. There's going to be an increased study of Torah. We're going to learn the secrets of the Torah, and it says in the prophets, Torah chadashim me'iti tetzei. A new Torah, God says, will emerge from me, which means an entirely new dimension of Torah will be revealed to us. So this is the answer, and this is the real meaning why there's going to be 3 additional cities of refuge when Mashiach comes.